Welcome to scaffoldingequipment.co.uk. Let's talk about the top scaffolding gear from scaffoldingequipment.co.uk. Everything you need to know about our scaffolding products. First up, the mobile scaffold tower. It's lightweight, easy to move, and perfect for those tricky spots. No more balancing on ladders. Next, we've got the adjustable platform. These towers let you work at different heights without breaking a sweat. Safety and convenience in one package. And for those really high projects, check out the extension ladders. They're sturdy, reliable, and super easy to set up. But wait, there's more. Scaffoldingequipment.co.uk also offers safety harness kits, because we want you to stay safe while reaching new heights. So, whether you're painting your house, fixing the roof, or just hanging festive lights, Scaffoldingequipment.co.uk has got you covered. Visit scaffoldingequipment.co.uk today and elevate your DIY game. Happy building!